Hi there, this is Ryan Malloy here at the Worldwide Center of Mathematics. In this video, we're going to discuss how to make division problems into fractions. Let's look at the problem 297 divided by 27. Another way that we might see this is in long division form. Regardless of how it's presented here, we can turn both of these problems into a fraction. First, we want to identify the dividend, which is usually the larger number in the problem. Next, we want to find the divisor, which in this case is 27. That will go in the denominator. Finally, we want to know the quotient, which for all of these is the same. The answer is 11. And that's all there is to it. My name is Ryan Malloy, and we've just discussed how to make a division problem into a fraction.